Let's see how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. Whether you're moving on to other platforms or just looking for a fresh start, deleting your Snapchat account is a straightforward process. Let's jump right in. First, I am going to show you how you can delete your account on iPhone. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down to Account Actions. It's usually at bottom. Select Delete Account. Here you will need to add your username and password and follow the instructions. Unfortunately, deleting your account directly through the app isn't available for Android users. So let's see how we can do that on Android or even on your computer. Open a web browser on any device, including your Android phone or computer. Go to accounts.snapchat.com. Log into your Snapchat account using your username and password. Click on Delete My Account under the Account Actions section. Re-enter your username and password for confirmation. Click Continue to permanently delete your account. That's it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Snapchat account. Remember, it can take up to 30 days for the process to complete. So if you try to log into your account again, you will stop the process of deactivation, and you will have your account again. Thanks for joining this tutorial. I hope this helped you easily delete your Snapchat account. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials.